Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I brought from the depths this wine, what's it called? Wine Buddy? No. You guys know what this is. One of those wine things that you put on a wine bottle with two glasses, you know, and give it as a gift or whatever. Yeah, so I got that, but I recently had to purchase some more alcohol inks because mine had, well, let's just say I got them in 2020 and finally used them up. Or at least the main ones that I wanted to use the most. So I bought a new set of alcohol inks, and this one came with some metallic alcohol inks. So I want to try something a little bit different. I want to try Petri dish pour in the Wine Butler, but with the purplish red that's also a metallic ink. So I'm hoping you guys are going to be able to see it. You can see the mica right down in there. So hopefully it works. So I've also pulled out pink, peacock blue, and the white for the back. This is going to be super simple. I'm just going to pour clear in, do my alcohol inks, and hope for the best. I'm just definitely curious to see if this kind of alcohol ink that's got the additive in it, the mica in it, if it does anything different. That's what I'm hoping to see. So, yeah. It will probably lean pretty heavy in the purple. This is going to be a gift for a friend. But, and her and her husband's favorite color is purple. So, yeah, we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. So, yeah, super simple. I apologize for saying yeah like 1,000 times. Anyway, let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Had some extra resin, so I chucked it in this chameleon mold. And I only used the purple ink, so I guess this might be like a spoiler warning for how the wine Butler turns out. I haven't unmolded that one yet, just to let you know. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Oh, the fingers are a little weird. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's interesting. I don't know if I like that white ink. It seems to be closer to casting craft than white alcohol ink, because it just kind of sunk, but I still think the look of it is really cool. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, that is today's bonus unmolding. All right, friends, let's unmold this. I did not fill it all the way. It was really hard to tell where the top was. I also noticed that the pink ink is actually very much red and very much not pink. So that's great to know. Let's see. Oh, you know what though? That's really cool looking. Oh, I like that a lot. I was hoping that the blue and pink like would mix together and kind of make some purple. There are a few little bits of purple in there, but I can't tell if that's from dragging this purple. I came downstairs about, I want to say an hour after I poured and did the alcohol ink, and I swirled it with a toothpick. And yeah, this turned out really cool. I am not seeing metallic in the purple at all. Oh, wait. Nope, nope, nope. I do see one teeny tiny bit of metallic. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but it's right here. Can you see it kind of shining? Like right there. Focus right there. Can you see how it kind of shines? So yes, the metallic is non-existent, but I still really like the way it turned out. I think it's very cool. The white is definitely too heavy. Hopefully you watched the bonus unmolding. Yeah. It's really pretty though. Okay. All right. Well, that's kind of surprising. I was expecting to hate it. As soon as I saw that the pink was actually red, I was expecting very much to hate it, but I don't hate it at all. I think it turned out really cool. So yeah, anyway, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.